Morning, engine carver clean, got a Vauxhall Insignia. This one's a 2014 model, 61,000 on the clock. Now the owner's booked it in, no apparent running issues apart from fuel economy starting to get out a little bit more of a fumey smell, not quite as perky as it used to be. All the kind of classic symptoms of getting the mileage on it and getting more carbon in there. Diagnostics wise, pretty minimal to be fair on the engine side of things. There's an old code for engine overboost, misfire detected due to low fuel. Cylinder 1 glow plug, looks like that might need replacing as well, down to the code history. Neutral position not learned. Don't often see that one, but that code was in there. They're all old codes from a while ago. They've all cleared away, not reappeared while we've been doing the clean so far. All the live data looks pretty good. The coolant's at 94 degrees. DPF details, it's running at about 20% such at the moment. 95 miles since the last regen, and a good healthy average between the regens. So it all seems to be running pretty nice, lovely and smooth and quiet compared to what it used to be. Get that fuel economy back up and the emissions down after the clean.